Look from the far, you will see another masquerade coming from the far. This is one strongest masquerade you can see in this eke. Wow, Edem-Ani. Edem-Ani is witnessing a historic event today. See masquerade everywhere. Ogbaru is the name of the masquerade. Ogbaru is the name of the masquerade. It's going to greet Igbo.
This represents our ancestors.
You can see our FOMC taking a snapshot with the masquerade. That is to tell you that the masquerade is friendly. It is not dangerous masquerade. It's a masquerade that comes to observe the historical effect of Edem-Ani on the Sunday. They are out there to greet Igbo with the traditional ruler of this community in the person of wow, the youth are happy. The youth are happy. The event. Sorry, carry on. As we have seen this one, I'm going to show you another giant masquerade you have never seen since ever you have started seeing masquerade. After now, a big masquerade is coming. Let's go over there. Let me show you the giant masquerade. Thank you so much.